Don't be apologetic in your email messages. I see a lot of emails that say stuff like, hey, I'm sorry to bother you today. I know you're busy. I won't take too much of your time. And I could go on with other examples, but this type of language is extremely weak. If you sell something that offers value, that, let's say, decreases costs, improves some sort of business process, helps in some sort of way, then you should not be so weak in how you're opening your message. I'm, it's fair to be respectful of people's times, and it's also sophisticated to show that you understand the prospect I in terms of being aware that they are extremely busy. But to start out your cold email with apologizing or talking about how busy they are, it communicates that what you have is not worth their time, or that you're not confident in what you sell. And you can be professional, you can be respectful with not saying any of these things.